Hello and welcome to LOGIC ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will see how to filter sales orders created from branch-wise sales order allocation in a packing slip. Let's first observe the default behavior. Select the customer and open the sales order selection window. As you can see, the search list displays all the available sales orders associated with the selected customer. To filter sales orders created from branch-wise sales order allocation, open the configuration window and navigate to the other options for section. Here, you will find the option labeled Filter Sales Orders Created from Branch-Wise Sales Order Allocation. Enable this option and save the configuration changes. Now, initiate a new packing slip entry, select the customer, and click on Sales Order Selection. As you can see, the search list now displays only those sales orders that were created from branch-wise sales order allocation.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.